Computer sir, how do I control the print function endString?
Okay, Meena. Similar to SAP, Python has AND parameter. Let's see. Now, we shall discuss another important parameter of print function in Python, which is AND parameter, right? As we have already told you that if we just give only simple print, so the default behavior is new line after every print. Right? New line after, I will write like this, new line after every print. Okay? That means after hello, a new line will come and then word will be printed. Suppose we want to change this behavior. So we want that after print, so there is a AND parameter. So AND equal to space here. So only space will come. So whatever we give after this, new line will not come. That will be replaced with this string. So this will be only space after print. So that means this will print hello word in one line. Now we explained separator earlier to you. So we are using, suppose these two lines we want to print as a comma separated data. So we are giving separator comma between these all objects, and the AND character here again we are giving comma, and then separator again between these two objects. So this is comma separated, and this one is comma separated and ended with comma. So these two lines will be as if they are one line and a comma separated data. This will be, since we gave a null character kind of thing in the end, so this will be no AND character. So I can also write null AND character. Right? So that means hello and word will come just next to each other. And we can also definitely give new line by ourselves. A new line character, as you already know, is a slash and backslash n. This is a famous new line character because every language starts with printing hello word and then slash n. So this new line separator is actually redundant, which automatically comes. But just for the technical completeness sake, I have shown you this. So let us run this. So hello word in two lines because new line is there. Hello word in the single line because this AND character is a space here, but with the proper space it has come. 1, 2, 3 separator comma, and then a comma after 1, 2, 3 there is another comma because of this and then 4, 5, 6 and then separator comma. This hello word because AND is a null character, no AND character. So hello word has come in the one single stuck up and attached to each other kind of sentence. Then hello word in two lines because of this new line separator character. Right? Quite simple to understand. So we in this particular thing, separator and AND character both have been explained to you. Now just for understanding it through AI, explain the AND parameter in print function. So function determines that characters are printed at the end of output. Separator is between multiple objects and it is only at the end of print command. End of output. By default, print adds a new line character, this is default, which moves the cursor to next line. You can change this behavior by specifying a different string for AND. For example, AND space will print space instead of new line, keeping subsequent print calls on the same line. So remember that whenever we use AND character, so a new line behavior is changed with that particular AND character. It can be null character, it can be space, it can be any other character. Comma, hash, slash n itself, right? So it can be anything. So if you want to ask more questions, please do write in the comments. Please do give your feedback in the comments and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.